So we're still in fall. We're not in winter yet, but we're getting closer. Okay. And one way that we notice that is our days are getting shorter. Literally meaning we have less daylight during the winter. Okay. So I'm going to take out my Saxon math pages here today, and I have my number line handy. You don't need that right away, but you're going to need it for the end of the lesson. Okay. It'll help you with some problems that we have down at the bottom of the page. Okay, so today we're working with number 33, okay? So let's go ahead and make sure you trace the first ones too here. You're going to say 33. When you trace these, it'll really help you learn how to form your threes, okay? 33. 33, 33. And I'm using my hand to help me steady the paper. So it's always okay to put like one hand on the paper when you're writing. It actually helps you write better, okay? So let's go to number 2. Okay, it says 8 children were in line. 3 children returned to their seats. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of children in line now. Okay, so I'm going to write the number 8 right here. That's the number word 8 right there. And then this is the word 3 right here. Okay, so picture this. You have 8 children in line. So we're going to draw those 8 children just by using circles today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so go ahead and put your 8 circles. And if you want to go back, you can go back and count them. I always like to do that to make sure I only drew 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's, as mathematicians, you want to check your work and make sure you've done it correctly. Okay, so there's 8 children in line. 3 returned to their seats. So do you see what's happening here? If 3 go away, then we're taking away. So we have to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. So when we cross out, that means we're doing subtraction. Okay, and the symbol for subtraction is that little line. Okay, so we started off with 8, so we're writing our number sentence. We started off with 8, we write our subtraction sign, and then we write a 3, so 8 minus 3. So how many children are in line now? And that's just super easy because we did a picture and we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 children in line now. So we're going to go ahead and write the 5. Okay, now down here, we're working with the number 10 with our apple seeds. It says draw different ways to show apple seeds. We're going to start off with 5 plus 5 today, okay? So we'll start off with our doubles. So draw 5 seeds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's probably the easiest double because you have 5 fingers on each hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write the 5 down below. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5. But don't take my word for it. Go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10, right? Okay, so the next one, we're going to use a plus 1, okay? So we're going to put 9 seeds on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the number 9, okay? Go ahead and do that. Write 9. Then on the other side, you're just going to put 1 seed, okay? And so I've put 9 plus 1 equals 10. Is that correct? Let's just go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we just proved that 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so now I'm going to do something. We're going to do a plus 0. And so on this side, you're going to draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you do them small enough, you can fit them all in. And you're not going to put any on that side. So you write 10 here. a 0 here. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So watch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay. So write the number that is one more. 4, what comes right after 4? So if you can't remember what that is, just pull out your number line, and you can prove it on your number line right here. 4 after 4 is the number 5. After 13, if you just pull it out, you can look at 13. After 13 is a 14. And then 22, you can pull over to the 22, and after 22 plus one more is 23. Okay, so the number line can be really helpful for doing our math. Then down here, we're going to write the answer. 0 plus 0, we all know that equals 0, so we can just write the 0. Now 9 plus 9. Now watch how I do this. I'm going to put my one finger here on the 9. I use both of my fingers to help me with this. I'm going to count over 9 spaces with my other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And do you see how my finger stopped at 18? We just proved that 9 plus 9 equals 18. 1 plus 1 is 2. Let's do our 8 plus 8. One finger here, my other finger's here. I'm going to count over 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, so I'm going to write my 16 down here. And then my last one is 2 plus 2. 1, 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so we just proved that. So go ahead and check your work. Okay, make sure you got the same answers. Okay, then give yourself an exit ticket. Now this booklet is all done. You can't, but before you put this in your green folder, you have to check the front and make sure it has your name on it. Because if it doesn't have your name on it, then I can't give you credit and I can't show that you did the work in my grade book, okay? So make sure you put your name on it. It's gonna go into your green folder to go back to me, okay? And then make sure you put your number line back in your math folder.